Selena and Kendrick's plan to increase the students' attention was simple. Just as in there are parts of the brain responsible for mind wandering, there are parts of the brain responsible for the awareness of mind wandering, disengagement of mind wandering content, re-engagement of prior focus, and sustaining of that focus. Kendrick hypothesized that just like physical exercise, mental training developed over longer periods of time would lead to an enhancement of the kid's core cognitive processes, specifically the ability to monitor attention, disengage from distracting objects, and redirect and sustain attention. Selena and Kendrick had just the experiment to test whether they could actually improve the kids' subparts of attention. Before the start of each class, some classes were instructed to sit in quiet relaxation for 10 minutes, contemplating serenity and calmness. Other classes were instructed to listen to a relaxing audiobook in silence. Still other classes were told that they were to perform mental exercise. Teachers, or trainers as they were called in the mental gym classes, emphasized that just like a specific physical exercise strengthens muscle connectivity and thereby increases athletic performance, a specific mental exercise similarly improves brain circuitry and increases behavioral and academic performances. For their mental exercise, the kids were instructed to go through the mentally demanding task of cycling through the 4 mass stages of attention. They were told, put your entire eye of the tiger focus on something, anything, sounds, body sensations, thoughts, moods, or just breathing, and then maintain continuous sustained attention on it for 10 minutes, monitoring for any distractions. For instance, if their attentional object was breathing, they were told, try to sustain your attention there without distraction. If you get distracted, calmly return your attention to the breath and start again. These instructions were designed to systematically engage the distributed neural networks of attention they've been learning about all year. The salience network is recruited to monitor for conflicts with the current goal state. Eye of the tiger focus on an object. When a mismatch or conflict is detected, such as task-unrelated thoughts, the ACC signals to the PFC of the executive network, which then applies top-down control onto the inferior parietal lobe to disengage from the task-unrelated thoughts. Meanwhile, the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex works to redirect and sustain focus back onto the pre-chosen target. Remember Kendrick's hypothesis that this training developed over longer periods of time would lead to an enhancement of the kid's core cognitive processes? Well, he was right. At the end of the year, the students who trained their cognitive stages of attention scored higher on all measures of attention as tested by Kendrick. They also scored higher on state standardized exams, but that wasn't the most shocking part. Lastly, Kendrick hooked the kids up to fMRI machines to compare the neuroactivity in their brains, and what he saw would make Kendrick and Selena local and state celebrities overnight. The kids who had practiced the cognitive stages of attention displayed longitudinal improvements in the gray matter concentration of the brain regions involved with learning, memory, and self-regulation. Selena and Kendrick not only increased their performance on a given test, they functionally changed the wiring of their brains and increased their cognitive capacity to learn and attend by nearly 1 full standard deviation. This has been an APR performance. The script and research was done by myself, Kalu. The video production was done by Muka, and the music was done by Gavin Murray. If you enjoy our content and would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.